If you think Botox is the only way to get rid of under-eye wrinkles, think again. Dermatologists have been hiding these secrets for years, but today, I'm revealing the 9 best ways to smooth your under-eye skin naturally. And stay till the end, because secret number 9 might just save you hundreds of dollars on expensive treatments. Let's dive in. Here's exactly what we're covering today. The top 9 dermatologist-backed secrets for smoother, younger-looking under eyes. Why most anti-aging creams fail, and what actually works. Simple daily habits that help prevent wrinkles before they start. So if you want to keep your skin looking younger, smoother, and wrinkle-free, watch till the end. Secret number 1. Hydration is everything. You've heard it before. But hydration is the foundation of smooth, wrinkle-free skin. When your skin is dehydrated, wrinkles become more visible and deeper over time. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily helps maintain skin elasticity. But that's not enough. You need to use a hyaluronic acid serum to lock in moisture and keep your under-eye area plump and youthful. Secret number 2, the power of retinol. If you want real results, retinol is your best friend. It's clinically proven to boost collagen and reduce fine lines over time. But here's the trick. Start with 0.25% retinol and apply it only 3 times a week to avoid irritation. Over time, you'll see the magic happen. Secret number 3, stop rubbing your eyes. This bad habit is breaking down your skin faster than you think. According to a study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, rubbing your eyes stretches and thins the delicate skin barrier, leading to premature wrinkles. Instead of rubbing, gently tap your eye cream in. Your skin will thank you. Secret number 4, sunscreen is your best friend. Did you know that the sun is the #1 cause of premature wrinkles? A study from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that using SPF 30 or higher daily reduces signs of aging by 24% over 5 years. And here's something you might not know. UV rays can pass through windows, meaning you need sunscreen even indoors. So never skip this step. Secret number 5, sleep on your back. Sleeping on your side or stomach creates sleep wrinkles, and over time, they can become permanent. The American Society of Plastic Surgeons recommends sleeping on your back and using a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and keep your skin smooth. Secret number 6, eye massage for circulation. Want to instantly brighten your under-eye area? Try this 30-second massage every night. Using your ring finger, gently tap along your under-eye area. This increases blood flow, reduces puffiness, and helps prevent fine lines. Harvard Medical School even found that gentle massages can improve skin elasticity over time. Secret number 7, vitamin C for brightness. Vitamin C isn't just for immunity. It's a game changer for your skin. It fades dark circles, stimulates collagen, and evens out skin tone. Look for a 10 to 20% vitamin C serum and apply it every morning for brighter, firmer skin. Research from the Journal of Dermatological Science proves it's one of the best anti-aging ingredients out there. Secret number 8, check your eye cream ingredients. Not all eye creams are created equal. Many expensive brands are filled with fillers that do nothing for wrinkles. Instead, look for peptides, caffeine, and ceramides. These ingredients actually work. The International Journal of Cosmetic Science confirms that these boost skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles effectively. Secret number 9, the ultimate anti-wrinkle diet. Here's the truth. Beautiful skin starts from the inside. Eating foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and collagen-boosting vitamins keeps your skin firm and youthful. Add salmon, avocados, nuts, and berries to your diet, and you'll notice a visible difference in your skin. A study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that these foods slow down skin aging and promote a natural glow. Let's go over the 9 dermatologist secrets. One more time. 1. Hydrate. Plus, use hyaluronic acid. 2. Apply retinol wisely. 3. Stop rubbing your eyes. 4. Use sunscreen daily. 5. Sleep on your back. 6. Try an eye massage. 7. Use vitamin C for brightness. 8. Check your eye cream ingredients. 9. Eat an anti-aging diet. Small changes equals big results. Want more science-backed skincare tips? Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments, which of these tips are you trying first? See you in the next video.